Now, let's show you how you can find a specific patient response within your MyGP Connect system. So, all patient responses are stored under Messages and then Inbox. And then within this section, patient responses will be stored here in a list. Now, this is our test environment. So we've only got one test patient response here, so it's quite slim. But over in your clinical system, this section likely is quite busy. So if you wanted to find one specific message from one patient, say a month ago, you wanted to cross-reference a response, you can apply the advanced filter search functions. So your quick filters are up here above. You can do a quick filter of date from, date to, and look for the type of senders based on patients, staff, and contacts. To do the advanced filter search, please click on the filters button. You will get this filters pop-up box, so you can narrow down a specific date, a specific time, so a time span of when you want to search for the message and when you want it to stop searching for the message. Then you would click next. Then you would choose the type of message, so patients is the best option there if you're looking for your patient message. Click next. Then you would want it to do a custom search. And then you actually have the opportunity to input the patient name or the patient specific ID number or NHS number. And that will just help you really narrow down that specific search. By clicking next, it will also ask you finally how many records do you want to see on the page. You can choose this option from these. You can even choose all, and then you do finish. And that would action an advanced search on your patient list there.